Hi there, Second Lifers. Today I'm coming to you from the roof of my store with some hopefully quick and helpful tips about using some commands available to us in Firestorm. These commands may be available in other viewers, but to be completely honest, I am so accustomed to Firestorm that it is the only viewer I use regularly. To see more about commands, you can go to Avatar, then Preferences, then within the Preferences menu, choose Chat and the Command Line tab to see the variety of built-in tools. However, today we will cover what I find to be the three most useful items in that menu. The first is the floor or FLR command. When typed into local chat, FLR will bring you to the ground level of the parcel you are on, directly beneath where you are standing. The second is go to height or GTH. It does just what it sounds like. It takes your avatar to the specified height when you type GTH space, then the height you want to go to. Before you do that though, unless you are a fan of skydiving, you may want to set your avatar to fly, which can be done easily by pressing the home key on your keyboard. Now that you are at the height you want to be at, you may want a platform to stand on. That is easily accomplished by using the rezplat command, REZPLAT or rezplat. This command will create a prim platform for you at your location. This can save a lot of time and effort when trying to move your platform to the correct height. However, in some cases, you will want a platform of a specific size and at a specific location on your land. In order to demonstrate how to do that, I have created a platform already on my land. As you can see, the prim platform I am standing on was made to fill exactly the parcel I am on and not overlap with the neighboring parcels. To get it to its desired height, I will first edit the prim itself and then go to the Object tab on the Build menu. In the Position section, which is located about halfway down on the left side, adjust the Z value to the height you want your platform to be at, and then either tab or enter to set the dimension in place. Your platform will move to the specified height, and you can now close the Build pop-up tool and type into local chat your GTH command. I suggest you set yourself to a height a few meters above your platform, because if you aim for the exact height of the platform, you are likely to end up with your feet below the platform and therefore will fall. So I'm going to type in GTH space 2005. And that's it. Your platform is now exactly the size that you want and located at the height that you need it at. I hope this has been informative and helped some of you. Bye for now.